What up everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add business address and logo on Wix website. So what you want to do is just be in your Wix site, Wix dashboard, click settings, and then you're gonna see overview and general information, right? And now you're gonna see I got my mail here, and I would just add here my phone number and my fax. And now I got like my business website name, and then I would like add logo here, right? And I'm going to add like, I don't know, Baby Yoda here as my business logo. Business website name, pretty simple, right? And then you're gonna scroll down, and my business has a physical address, so you just add here your address also. And this is pretty much how you do it. So you just add here the business address and everything, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you can add a business address and logo in Wix website. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.